Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeats.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today I'm showing off some new Dakota Stones gemstone strands, beautiful options including some birthstone options, so let's dive in. Yes, new Dakota Stones gemstones. Oh, I see some little gasping emojis coming up. Yes, it's breathtaking. It's really beautiful. I had fun lining them all up, and I do have little cheat sheets down here to tell me what each one is. I'll start on this end. We've got some new Botswana agate strands. They're just really beautiful. Yes, gorgeous. Yeah, they're so pretty. So these are all available at artbeats.com right now. Just new Dakota Stones gemstone strands. We love Dakota Stones. We got to see them in Tucson at the gem show. Their booth is amazing. Just gemstones as far as the eye can see. They're really great quality gemstones. So just wonderful to take a look at, feel them, and to design with. They're just wonderful. So these are the new Botswana agate strands. There's some new like birthstone option strands in this launch as well. So then we've got blue moonstone. I'm definitely a moonstone lover because it does have, there's just a magic to moonstone that is just beautiful. It has a really nice shine and flash, and I really love this blue moonstone. You can kind of see like there's just a little bit of iridescence to them, so really pretty. Nice small beads here, and then these bigger faceted roundels. Really nice. They match my nails really nicely. Gotta make some joy to match my nails there. And then we have aquamarine here. We've got some aquamarine strands, which is a really beautiful kind of icy blue, and I love that these are all faceted stones because they just, they sparkle so nicely. Yeah, moonstone has a calming effect too. It really does. There's just something about it that's just so nice and peaceful. You're right, Beverly. Really pretty aquamarine strands here. That's a birthstone option for you if you're looking for birthstone jewelry beads. These would be a great option. Again, you've got a variety of sizes and shapes to choose from. We've got some rounds and some rondelles, so really beautiful. Again, I love the faceting on these. They're just so glamorous, so sparkly, so beautiful. Love those. So those are aquamarine, and then we have apatite. Apatite is one of my favorites. It's just this gorgeous, it reminds me of Caribbean waters. It's just so vividly blue. It just looks like the ocean. So really pretty apatite strands. These are really nice quality. Again, the faceting just makes them stand out. Oh yay, Lori, March is my B-day. Yeah, so you're gonna want some aquamarine gemstones for your jewelry this month for sure. So pretty. Loving the apatite. Then after lapotite, I kind of color coded these too. We have lapis, which is another favorite. This is huge in like ancient Egypt, which is my jam. I used to be obsessed with ancient Egypt. So really love lapis. Just a gorgeous kind of midnight blue, really dark blue, but then it has like flecks of gold in there along with a little bit of a white matrix. It just looks like royalty. It's so beautiful. No wonder the ancient Egyptians used it. It's just so elegant, so regal. Beautiful gemstone. So we've got some lapis strands. Again, the faceting is amazing. Oh, Angela, my fave. Yeah, I love lapis too. And then my other fave is next. We've got labradorite. This one is like my all-time favorite gemstone, labradorite. And these are really beautiful options for labradorite. Labradorite is another one of those stones you can see here. It has like a fire within it, an iridescence that's just so eye-catching, so mesmerizing. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Again, the faceting really brings it out. I love these rondelle strands. Just so pretty. Gorgeous. Yeah, wowie is right. Really beautiful labradorite strands. Again, these are new and available at artbeads.com now, so make sure to shop. And then after the labradorite, we have some emerald. So again, another good birthstone option. And now this is really interesting. Really nice color variations in these emerald strands. You've got some lighter greens, some darker greens. There's even some grays and whites in there. I really like these beads all together. I think they're really kind of calming, like the moonstone. It's really nice. So, and I like the shapes available with these. We've got some coin shapes here, some rounds, and then those smaller rondelles. These are great. I love the size of these little rondelles. I think these are great to mix with seed beads. You can use them in bead weaving, embroidery, stringing, whatever. They're just great to have. So really nice emerald strands there. And look at the faceting on those coins. I love them all. Yes, a rainbow. It is a rainbow of gemstones. It's just really nice to see them all together. So then after the emerald, we have prehnite. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's what my instinct is telling me. But I really like this stone. It's just a soft, almost like a lemon lime green or a grassy green. Super fresh, super refreshing, very great for spring that is coming up. So these are our prehnite strands. Beautiful. And then to go along with that lovely refreshing green, another birthstone option, we have peridot. We love peridot. So this is just a nice little faceted rondelle strand of peridot gemstones. So really nice option there for all you peridot lovers. That's a really nice strand. And then we also have diopside, which is this is great for St. Patrick's Day, right? Really nice shamrock green here with this diopside. And it's very nice. I love this color a lot. It's just very fresh. Lucky. It's lucky, lucky, lucky. So beautiful. So that's the diopside. And then after diopside, closing out our green options, we have malachite, which is such a fun green. It's like, it's a little more emeraldy than the diopside, a little more kind of like teal undertones. It's just a really nice green. Super regal, super elegant, just really nice. I like it. And then there's banding in the gemstone too, which makes it really visually intriguing. Anyone else playing Guess the Gemstone? Yeah, I should be quizzing you guys. Like, which one is this? Which one is this, do you think? That's why I have a little cheat sheet here that you can't see, because that would be quite the guessing game there. So here I have some strands of ruby. Beautiful ruby. So lovely. I love the variation of color in these strands. Very sweet pinks and reds, and then some darker tones in there as well. So really nice ruby strands. Another birthstone option for you guys. Really pretty. And again, you've got, yay, Angela's birthstone. We've got some different shape options. We've got those coins again, those rounds. Love me some rubies, says Mary. Just beautiful. So really nice options for you ruby lovers. And then after ruby, another birthstone. You probably can guess this one. This is probably the most recognizable. Garnet. We love garnet. So pretty. Dark, rich red. Are they sets? The strands are sold as individual strands. I just grouped them together by gemstone type, so it was easier to talk about them and share them. You could certainly buy, you know, garnet strands together and lay them out on your bead table, but they are just sold as individual strands. Really beautiful. How do you choose? They're all so beautiful. It is hard to choose. I bought some Dakota Stones strands in Tucson, and it was a struggle to choose. Sometimes you just got to buy a lot. And that's what I did. We love Dakota Stones gemstones. It's really hard to choose with their beautiful gemstones. Yeah, garnets and ruby would be really pretty together. They do look really nice side by side. So we've got some garnet strands. Again, those wonderful coins. Very nice. And then after the garnet, the red garnet, we have golden sunstone. This is really nice. I love the neutral color of this. This would work really nicely with creams and beiges, but you could also mix it in with brighter pops of color too, and it would look good with summer colors like gold. Just a really nice option, this golden sunstone. I really like it. And then if you I'm trying to show, there's like flecks of glitter in these beads, so they're neutral but with a little bit of sparkle, so really love that. You can kind of see the little glitter in there. Oh, these are gorgeous. Yeah, gold stone, like traditional gold stone, would go really great with these. So really love the golden sunstone strands. Those are really fun. I could look at these all day. There's like little galaxies in each bead. So pretty. Love that. And then we've got another birthstone. It's citrine. Love citrine. It's like lemonade. It's so sweet, so refreshing. Such a sweet, happy, cheerful color. Nice pale yellow. Again, great for spring, great for summer. Would look really good with this prehnite here. It actually matches a lot of these colors nicely. So some wonderful citrine strand options for you as well. And then February might be over, but that doesn't mean you can't get your birthstone on for February. We have got amethyst, which is a lovely, regal, rich purple. These are really nice amethyst beads too. Yeah, drops of honey. That's a good way of describing citrine. Really nice amethyst beads here. It's just got the beautiful purple color, and then the faceting just really makes that color pop even more. Look at those beautiful little glittering facets. So fun. So those are amethyst strands. Yeah, they're really nice amethyst beads. Definitely check those out. Really nice options there. And then we've got a couple different strands down here on the end. Sapphire, that is my birthstone. Love sapphire. Yeah, amethyst deep color is really pretty. You're right, Mary. So pretty. I love amethyst or sapphire. I love amethyst and I love sapphire. But sapphire has a special place in my heart because it is my birthstone and it's incorporated in my wedding ring there. So love sapphire. Then after the sapphire strand, we have, this is orange garnet, which is a really nice option. I love this orange. It's super warm and earthy. And then again, these coin beads, I just love the faceting on them. And they're a great size for pairing with all kinds of different beads. Again, seed beads would work really well with this. Other gemstone beads, check glass, just everything works with these little coins. So really beautiful, and they catch the eye with their beautiful faceting. So that's our orange garnet. Then we have some pink tourmaline. I love tourmaline, especially the pink variety. It's just so sweet, so pretty. Love that. And then last but certainly not least, we have the black spinel, which I love how these glitter. I think the faceting on these make it such a dramatic choice. Like, look at that. I'm just kind of twisting them and they're just glitter, glitter, sparkle, sparkle. So pretty. Super, super nice. You could use these in a lot of different things. I'm thinking like with sterling silver, the contrast would be amazing. Deborah, beautiful. I can't stand it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. You can't stand it. It is mesmerizing. Just gorgeous. So really, really nice. I like these a lot. Yeah, black diamonds. They look like black diamonds. They are just, oh my gosh. Can't look away. Can't look away. Really pretty. Oh, yeah, I bet the faceted black spinel would look good with the sunstone. Oh, let's put them together. That would look really good. Oh, yeah, this is a great combo. Yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, so mixing and matching these gemstones is going to be a lot of fun. I kind of put them as close to like gradient color as I could, but you could have a lot of fun kind of just pairing up these colors. The moonstone with the black spinel would be a really striking look as well. I think the moonstone and the aquamarine are really pretty together. This amethyst with this would be pretty, like There's just so many different combinations you could do with these gemstones. They just, oh, they're so beautiful. They look good all together. I think the orange garnet and the sunstone, oh yeah, this is speaking to the 70s, baby. That's so beautiful. Yeah, the cuts and the quality are superb. You are absolutely right, Mary. They are superb. Just really amazing quality gemstone strands, some of the best. That's why it's such a joy to look at them and shop with Dakota Stones, because their strands are just the best and they're so beautiful. They've really got it down. They know what they're doing. So beautiful. Yeah, I like those together. So the sunstone and the orange garnets are a hit together. I love those. Let's see, what else could we pair up? I'm really loving these emerald strands. I think that would look really good with the prehnite. Oh yeah, some St. Patrick's Day, some spring, beautiful. Oh, gold metal beads with the black. Yeah, that would be just gorgeous. I love pairing gold with those darker colors like the black or the labradorite. Labradorite works really well with silver, but I think gold too is a good option. Gold, of course, with the lapis. Hi, hello Kyla, good to see you. So yeah, we are loving these new Dakota Stones gemstone strands. I can kind of pick up the whole tray and just look at that. It's so beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I took some pictures and some videos of these strands all laid out so I can share those on social media with you guys too, because they really do just look so beautiful. They're all available now at artbeads.com. We got new Dakota Stones. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that this video was helpful and inspiring. Please make sure to leave a like and a comment, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.